Mike Halfwit.
And this is John.
We're back here in the DCZ arena, and well, Dallas did lose his title shot again to Mikey, and now they're going to have a tag team match. Let's go ahead and get this match on the way. There's Hyper Shadow, part of the Masked Men. And he did used to be involved with the Alliance. And go ahead and... Here comes Mikey the Biscuit.
The lights coming out. Good. WZ and Dallas. Now it's gonna be a tag team. You hold that. Let's get this match started. Ding, ding, ding. Oh! Hitting him.
Get up, Dallas. Come on. Come on, get up.
Oh! Slamming him head. Oh! Into the pole. Oh! Kicking him in the back. Oh! Taking Dallas's legs out. Everybody's down. Oh!
That's right.
Oh, punching each other. Oh. Oh. Kicking him. Oh. Kick up. Ooh. Hitting him. Oh. Throw him against. Open the door with the impact. Oh, clothesline. Oh.
Take the big man down. Take his leg out.
It looks like he's going after that left leg of Mikey the Biscuit. Oh, kicking him.
Get up.
Picking Mikey the Biscuit up. What's it? Yes. Oh, hitting him. Oh. Pinning him. 1, 2. Oh. Kick out. 1, 2. Oh. Another kick out. Oh. Oh. DDT.
That's right.
Flipping over the couch. 1, 2. Kick out. Oh. Hitting his leg. 1, 2. Kick out. Oh. Oh.
That's right. Like that.
Oh. Hitting his own man. Oh. Taking out that left leg again. Ooh. Ooh. Keep hitting him in that left leg.
Here, you want some of this.
Oh. Clothesline. Oh. Trying to kick him in the face, but missed. Ooh. Dallas running. Oh, hitting him. Oh, kicks him across the face. See. Oh. Shadow. WZ's up. 1, 2. Oh, a kick out. Oh. Kicking him. Oh.
Not.
Oh. Oh, hitting him into that cage. Oh. Throwing him into the door. Oh, throwing Crawler. Kicking him. 1, 2. Oh, kick out. Looks like he missed. Kicking Dallas. Ooh, hitting double Z in the back. Ooh, fighting over the chair here. Ooh, hitting him in the kneecap. Ooh. Just hit him.
That's right. Relax, baby. Oh.
Ooh. What is this? Is a Buddha match here?
Get him.
Oh, damn submission. 1, 2. Kick out. Ooh, kicking him. Oh. Just kick the chair. WZ and Dallas is down. Other two up. Oh. Oh. Dallas is limping there. Going choke slam. Oh, choke slam. Oh, hit him with the chair. Sliding the chair. Ooh, stepping on him. Oh. Oh. Into the chair. He's going for a pin. 1, 2. Oh. Dallas kicked him. Oh, missed. 1, 2. Oh, kick out. Oh, clothesline. Oh, almost over the couch.
That's right.
Elbow him in the back of the head. Oh, kicking him. Oh, elbow
Bring him up,
into the
Dallas. Bring him
gut.
up. Give him this. Hang up. Hang up.
Oh,
That's what.
oh, dropping the chair. Go for submission. Rookie tap. Oh, hitting him. Kicking him. Hitting back of his leg out. Clothesline to the wall. Bulldog.
Let's go for the play.
1, 2, 3. Ding, ding, ding. Here's your winner. The Lions.
That's right. You like that? The Alliance. Let's get out of here.
That's like, then Dallas and WZ won.